Hello, I just want to show you guys how you can change battery on this Mini. This is Mini Cooper. This is how the key look like, and this is the battery. The battery is CR2032. You can get this battery in a pawn shop. So this is how it look like. You just have to get. I'll try to show you guys how it look like in a pack. So this is how it look like. I already changed one, but I just thought I'd do a video for many people out there who is looking how to change the battery. So stay tuned. I don't want to waste your time. Let's change the battery. Right, because I don't have a screwdriver, I'm going to use one of these tools. If you have a tools pack, you can get this in the tools pack. And this is how the key look like. So let's get in. So what you have to do is press this side here. You press it. I'm going to press it so I can see exactly how it look like. So once you press that, you pull the key out. So now the key is out because you press that. Right, so what I'm going to do now, you can see here if you turn the key, I don't know, is it hook or something there? So I'm going to press it. I'm going to press this. Yeah. So that's all up now. You can see now, you can hear the sound. Now it's up. So now I'll open it. So there's another step where the battery is here, the component is here, the battery is around here. Because there's nothing here to pull it, I have to use this again, slowly, gently. To get the battery, the component up. Yeah, very easy. There's the battery. Can you see the battery? It is 2032. If you can see that. There it is. Now, because it's locked up there, I'm going to put the screw here, pull it up. Now my battery is removed. I'm just going to take this out because I haven't done it already. And I have another spare one here. I'm using the same tool anyway, so you don't have to use knife or blade or anything. So there's my battery, it's in there. So there's the battery, the new battery now. Just going to put it back there. Just slide it in there to make sure. Yeah, the battery's back. Now I'm going to put it back to where it belongs, which is down here. Okay. Push it. So clip back in. You can see it. So that with this back to where it belongs. And now I'm going to clip it back. So it's the same component. Just need to make sure I clip it like you clip phone. So you press it. There you go. So now I'm going to insert the key. So what I noticed is you have to press it really hard. So I'm going to press the side again. Press it. There you go. The Mini key is all changed. Save your money. You don't have to go to Mini to change it. You can change this key with £1 or £2. So guys, thank you. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe and like for more. Thank you very much.